Will robots replace real estate agents in 2022? There are a large number of companies offering to buy my home as well as your home if you simply sell it to them over the internet. Let me tell you why they will not replace real estate agents. Statistics show that only 3% of the population actually opts to sell over to the internet. And since forever, only a very small percentage has opted to sell for sale by owner. So why do the other 97% of the population still opt for a real estate agent? Well, because selling or buying is one of the most expensive things you will ever do, and it's one of the most difficult things to do. A loan or turning over your asset to the internet buyer is very scary. Local knowledge is everything, and in real estate, local knowledge of the realtor gets the seller or the buyer the most for their asset. So why do some opt for internet buyers? Well, because they feel that saving commission is important, but they fail to realize that realtors statistically can sell the home for more than what they are actually saving. Here's what you can do. If you want the internet buyer experience, but you want to sell, but you don't want to place your home on the market, you can combine the experience with a local real estate agent to ensure that you still get the most money when you sell over to the internet buyer. Combining the two might become a popular option in the years to come. Let's have a conversation about this in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.